My original office that I opened back in 2002 was a small office in an inline store. When we had the opportunity to get into the space with over 2,500 square feet, we thought, wow, this is more than we need. And thinking from a small mindset of what I had before, I said, well, I can't take that small mindset thinking and expand it and make that bigger. I need to have a whole new plan for it. So we put together what we thought was going to be the best use of our space, but it still didn't seem quite right. So as we were talking through the process, we said, we need somebody with a bigger mindset, had done this before, to figure out the best way to utilize the space, and that's when we came to you.
Yeah, we thought that the floor plan that we had put together, we're like, I'm not really sure anybody can expand on this, but let's make sure somebody who does this for a living can look at our floor plan so that we're not making a very incredibly expensive mistake.
Yeah.
And the floor plan that was given to us by CrossFields was a world better than what we had come up with on our own, and we think back to it many times now. We're like, oh my God, I can't believe we were almost going to go with this floor plan that would have completely wrecked not just the aesthetic, but the flow of the office and how we do things.
And what an incredible waste of money it would have been to go with our plan and then have to live with it for, however many years that we're there, not utilizing the space properly, costing us money because of poor utilization and not giving us the opportunity to maximize the space. So there was an invaluable investment for us. So when we did our expansion just this year in 2022, we went right back to CrossFields again, said, hey, here's our expansion. How do we better, expand upon what you guys did first? And again, what we thought was going to be the answer, was totally different again.
Oh, wow.